So I want to give you a fair warning here. This explanation is going to be a little on the long side for such a simple topic, but I guarantee that if you actually sit through and listen to this explanation, it's going to be worth it because you're going to have so much of a deeper understanding of scientific and standard notation. So for the first thing you might actually notice here is the idea that I abbreviated scientific notation and standard notation. So for the very first problem, what we're going to be dealing with is going from scientific notation to standard notation. Like I said previously, is that the first number is going to be between 1 and 10. Notice that for the scientific notation examples, our numbers are between 1 and 10. So this first problem over here, it's 4.23 times 6 to the 10th power. This is in scientific notation. Remember what I said before is that the number has to be between 1 and 10, and this 4.23 is between 1 and 10. That's another indicator that this is in correct, proper scientific notation, and we're going to take this and convert it into standard notation. So what I want to do here is I'm just going to rewrite our 4.23, and we're going to be multiplying this by 10 to the 6th power. Now, keeping in mind, this is really 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 6 times, right? So what is that going to do to our number 4.23? Is that going to make it a lot bigger or a lot smaller? Well, it's going to be making it a lot bigger, right? So once again, we do know that the 6 represents how many times we're going to be moving the decimal place. And we know we're going to be making this 4.23 a lot bigger. So to do that, we have to move the decimal place to the right 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is going to be the new location of our decimal place. And all we have to do here is fill in the zeros. And this is going to be our new number. And I'm just going to fill in my commas here for a little readability. All right, what about for the next one? Once again, we're just going to follow the same method. We have 3.76 times 10 to the negative 4. Is it times 10 to the negative 4? Is that going to make my 3.76 a lot bigger or a lot smaller? You're probably saying to yourself, hey, you know what? It's going to make it a lot smaller. So, being that it's going to make it a lot smaller, which way do we move the decimal place? Oh, if we move it to the left, that would make this a lot smaller. So let's move it 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be my new location of the decimal place. And we're just going to fill in our zeros and give ourselves a leading zero over here. So our new number is 0.000376. And that's how you go from scientific notation to standard notation.